Raketsbrücke is one of Europe's Devil's Bridges and is located in Kramlau Park in Germany. Raketsbrücke is a thin arch which stretches over the water. The town's knight commissioned the bridge in 1860 and it was constructed using various basalt columns which were shipped from different quarries. It was designed to look like a perfect half circle, so when the light is right and the water is still, it would create the illusion of a complete circle. The builder decorated both ends of the Devil's Bridge with thin rock spirals that look like natural outcroppings. Most Devil's Bridges were built during the medieval times in Europe and are in France, while others exist in countries such as Bulgaria, Estonia, Romania, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Spain, Slovenia, and Italy. However, none are as beautiful and unique as Raketsbrücke. Raketsbrücke is known as the Devil's Bridge because the colloquialism of the structure is so unique that it must have been built by the devil rather than mortals. According to legend, Satan helped develop all the Devil's Bridges in Europe, and in most of the narratives there was some arrangement between the devil and the builders. Several legends are attributed to this particular bridge. Among those claim that Satan helped with the construction in exchange for the soul of the first person to cross the bridge when it was complete. However, the builders tricked the devil by luring an animal to cross the bridge first, thus saving the lives of the community. But according to another legend, the architect was true to his word and walked the bridge himself, therefore saving everyone else. Another myth related to Raketsbrücke claims that one will uncover their mystic abilities within if you sail the boat under the Devil's Bridge at a full moon. Some people convey one will see the face of the devil if you look sideways, and others believe the bridge is a portal to another world. Whatever the case, this particular bridge is absolutely stunning and just mystical to look at in general. Whether or not it's supernatural, that's up to the individual to decide. If you want to see it, the bridge can still be viewed in the park, but crossing the aging relic is prohibited in order to preserve it.